Hello students, let us see another point, that is classification of drugs. Drugs can be classified mainly on the criteria outlined as follow. Okay. So how the drugs are getting classified, student? There are four categories. They are the classified, student. If we talk about the first criteria for classification of drugs, first one is on the basis of pharmacological effect. Okay, on the basis of pharmacological effect. Okay, this classification is based on a pharmacological effect of the drugs. It is useful for the doctors because it provides them the whole range of the drugs available for the treatment of particular type of problem. Okay, for example, the analgesics have the pain killing effect, antiseptic kill the arrest the growth of microorganism. So on the pharmacological effect, student, doctors use this class of the medicine to treat the particular class of the drugs. For example, for the painkiller, okay, there is the analgesics have the painkiller effect, antiseptic kill the growth of microorganism. So that is first one is the pharmacological effect. Second one is on the basis of the drug section, student. Okay, on the basis of the drug section, it is based on the action of a drugs on a particular biochemical process. For example, all antihistamines inhibit the action of the compound histamine which causes inflammation in the body. There are various ways in which action of the histamines can be blocked. You will learn about this section. Okay, so what they are saying, that is where the drugs is getting attack, student. So on the basis of drug action, we are going to have the classification of medicine. So here it is saying it is the based on the action of a drug on a particular biochemical process. For example, all antihistamines inhibit the action of the compound histamines which causes inflammation in the body. There are various ways in which the action of histamines can be blocked. You will learn about this section. Okay, next one is on the basis of chemical structures. It is based on the chemical structure of the drugs. Drugs classified in this way share common structure feature and even and after often have similar pharmacological activities. So they are saying that is if the similar structure is there, student, so their pharmacological effect is also the similar. For example, sulfonamides have the common structure feature given below. So this is the sulfonamide. So its effect is also the common. Next one is there on the basis of molecular target. On the basis of student molecular target, drugs usually interact with biomolecules such as carbohydrates, lipids, protein, and nucleic acid. These are called the target molecules or the drug target. Drug processing some common structural feature may have the same mechanism of action of target. The classification based on the molecular target is the most useful classification for medicinal chemist. Okay, so this is what the on the basis of the molecular target also it is there, student. The this is also the most useful classification, student, on the basis of medicinal target. So this is all about the classification of medicine, student. Next we will study the drug target interaction. Thank you so much for watching, friends.